Today I am going to tell you about microscope. Do you have any information about microscope?
Yes, I have.
What is microscope?
Microscope is an instrument which is used to see small things.
Yes, you are right. A microscope is an instrument which is used to see very small things that cannot be seen with naked eye. We can look at something through microscope. So here is a microscope. Now I will tell you parts of microscope. A light microscope has a base, an arm, a tube, a stage, a mirror, and two adjustment screws. The lens at the end of the tube through which we observe an object is called an eyepiece. In short words, through microscope, we can view an object up to 1500 times bigger than its original size. It's all from my side. Thank you.